How to make him regret losing you. Breakups can feel like a dead end, but they often mark the start of a powerful transformation. If he let you go without realizing your worth, the most effective way to make him regret it is not through chasing, but by evolving. True regret is triggered when he sees the woman he lost becoming stronger, more radiant, and completely out of reach. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here's how to make him regret losing you, step by step. 1. Cut off all contact, disappear from his life without warning. No texts, no checking his social media. This silence forces him to notice your absence and wonder what you're doing without him. 2. Work on yourself first, use this time to focus on personal growth. Hit the gym, explore new hobbies, improve your style, and sharpen your mind. Let your transformation be visible, but effortless. 3. Be active, but mysterious, don't post just to get his attention. Instead, share glimpses of your upgraded life. Happy, confident, and unbothered, you'll become the mystery he can't ignore. 4. Stop responding to breadcrumbs. If he reaches out casually, don't entertain weak efforts. Show that access to you is no longer easy. You're not an option, you're a privilege. 5. Surround yourself with high-value people, spend time with people who uplift you. A strong, vibrant social life makes it clear you're thriving, and that he's no longer part of that world. 6. Stay calm and collected. If you run into him, keep your energy calm. Look good, smile, but never chase. Regret builds when he sees you doing better without him. How to make him regret losing you is not about revenge, it's about rising. When you shift your energy inward and rebuild stronger, he'll realize exactly what he walked away from, and by then, it may be too late. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.